Today, I'm going to show you how to put coil spring insulators on your coil springs. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove the old one. It's hard as a rock. The new one is rubbery like it's supposed to be. So it don't matter if it comes off in pieces. Just get it off. And just like that, it's off. So now we're gonna go put this in the vise and get ready to put the new one on. All right. Only reason I'm putting this in the vise is so that it's vertical and a little easier. It doesn't move on me while I'm trying to put it on. I'm not tightening it down real tight, just snug. So now I'm taking my insulator. I'm putting some white lithium grease on the surfaces just to help it slide on there easier and it doesn't rip. This is not going to affect anything, so you don't have to do this. I'm just ensuring that hopefully makes it a little easier to get on, and then also to keep it from snagging or anything like that. So just put it on both surfaces. All right, so then turn this a little. So the top that is solid, or that has Scott Drake on it, this is Scott Drake part, is the top face. So it's there's a notch here, and that notch is gonna sit right on that lip. So when it's finished, it'll sit like that. So I take a screwdriver and I twist, and I go ahead and I don't put it right at the beginning. So to me, that right there is the beginning as you twist it on. I kind of just slide an edge on, kind of tuck the rest of it under. Come on, keep sliding, keep sliding, keep sliding, sliding, boom. Okay, right there, the back lip is already past the face of this spring. So now you can take your screwdriver, pry up here, and finish twisting it, and boom, you got your coil insulator on. Now once you have it on, you can go ahead and wipe it off, get all the excess grease off. So I just got a old sock that's a shop rag now. Just wipe all the old grease off, and you've got your nice new padded insulator in. So now your suspension should not squeak as much. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this helped you find a quick and easy way to install these coil spring insulators. This Scott Drake one seems to be made pretty decently. We'll find out though once we put them in and see if there's any squeaking, and hopefully they last for a pretty long time. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys here next time.